We seeded mice this year in May and we had a really good harvest. We ate a lot of corn, and so we have a lot of remaining corn, and now we are going to open it and to dry it for our animals, so our animals have something to eat in the winter. And I'm tying 2 corns together. It's going to rain tonight, so I decided to move the corn. This is our place where we store the wood for the winter, and it's dry and it's sunny, so the corn can dry here. This is the last box I have to hang up. And then I'm letting it dry for a few weeks, and after the time we are going to make food for the animals, but I have to let it dry for a few weeks, and then I'm going to make a new video and I can show you how we are going to make the food. Ciao!